Hi guys, today we are going to do a fountain experiment. If you don't trust me, then try it yourself or stay to the end of the video. So first we need straws like this. You will need to make something like a connector, like the water twister ones that we've done. But use your own. You have to drill 2 holes and put the 2 different straws so you know it. You need to make a connector like this and then put the straw. How to make this connector? You need 2 bottle caps and you need to drill 2 holes using the drill. Depends on your straw, it's big or small. You need to drill bigger then you can do it. So now we are going to it's very hot. I need to glue here this up. It's so hot until it's like there's some steam coming out. You need to ask your parents to help you. You can't do it yourself or you'll get scalded by this. It's very hot. You can see there's a lot of steam coming out.
I cannot come on.
Oh, toss. Ew. You need to press the back. I'll help you. You need to glue the side of it. The line.
Okay.
Really ready to dry it. We also need to do the other one because we need 2 of this. Let me see where the hole. Yeah. You need to cut a bit to each straw. You can see there's a cut over here. I need to cut them. I've done this yesterday. So the same, I have to also do the same thing like just now. I'm warning you already, this is so dangerous. You can see the smoke, like not smoke, like the steam coming out from it. Oh, it's on the floor! You see, it's so dangerous. You need a glue at the back. It's called hot glue gun. Oh, it's so dangerous.
You better go. Go, go.
Oh no.
Go, go. You better go.
Hey, look at that glue. It's so hot. Whoa. I really hope I don't get scalded. Wow. Oi. Ow. Oh, why is this so weird? So now we have to drill a hole in here. So here the water can, this straws can connect to here, inside it. I think I better take a drill. You're not going to glue it first, because later there's something happen also. Now we have to drill a hole, you see, because it's all covered up. My dad came up in another way. Another way to do this. Oh. Is it getting hurt? This thing is breaking. Yeah, it's making a color a bit bright. Look at it. We're gonna. Oh! Whoa!
Okay.
Looks like it's a bit messy. So now we're gonna put in the straw. And let's see, it's gonna be like this. Alright, so now it's time that we have to finish up this thing. My dad just put a new one there, so we have to cut off that part. It must be shorter than here. You can see here. This one needs to be shorter, so he needs to cut off. So now we are going to glue it to reinforce it. So you'll get better. You won't get some like go down or whatever. Reinforce. Now we're going to try to do that thing. The water from the top. Oh, yeah. I think the bottom is full. Uh-oh. You can see the big coming out, so cool. I don't know what purple is. We'll do this. Okay, check it out. This is enough. Then we have to flip the bottle. This is kind of heavy. So, let the water don't reshape. You see it's going down very quickly. Okay, flip. So now, this is the last step. If you wanted the fountain to work, you need to get some glue. So now we have to put the water in it. Okay. Hold on. Now the fountain should work. You see it's coming out. Well, not too much because you put the rubber band. It's still working. You see? More water on it. Oh no. Not too much.
Oh, it's working!
Properly. Not very much anymore. It's working. It's a washing hand station. But it doesn't work continuously because it's not there. And it's already over because it's already rich. So now I'm going to reset. You need to pick out this and let's try another time. going up. Looks like it's going fast. The currents are high. Oh, what? There's a vortex. There's a vortex. There's a vortex over there. It's so cool. We found a vortex in this fountain. Okay. It's working properly. Good. You can wash your hands or whatever. Oh, there's a bit too much. And if the water is below this straw, it won't work. And if the water is higher than this straw, it also won't work. It's still working, kind of working at the end it's a bit weird. Bye.
Bye.
See you for